Hello everybody, it's Michael here today, and I will be teaching you how to create your own bucket server. This is very easy and should really take no time at all, and let's just get started. Alright, so first off, what you're going to want to do is create a new folder and name it, let's say, Minecraft Server, since it's going to be our server folder. And we'll drag that to some place on our desktop where we can see it and access it perfectly. Now we're going to want to go to our browser. Go to bucket.org and then go to get craft bucket, or you can go onto the side and get the recommended build on the side. I'll show you guys. If you don't want to do that, you can get it on the side right here. It'll post the recommended builds, so we might as well just do that for now since we're already right here. So click that, and this is recommended build 1. There are normally about 2 recommended builds, but we'll just download the latest one, and we'll just start downloading that. Keep the file. While we wait for that to download, we're just going to go back to our Minecraft server folder. Open that, and we'll drag it to the side, and then we'll drag this to the side as well. Alright, now that we have that downloaded, we'll have to show it in our folder, and we're going to drop this into our Minecraft server folder. Now that we've done that, let's just rename it to Craft Bucket. You're generally going to have to do this or else it won't work. Alright, next what we're going to have to do is create a text document. Since I do not have a text document available to create, I'll just go copy one of these and paste it in here because I totally screwed up my text document. So what you're going to do is open this, remove that, and then open this and go back to your browser. Click back or exit out of that tab and go back to get craft bucket. Once you're here, you're going to want to scroll down until you see what operating system you're on. So if you're on Windows, you're going to want to copy and paste this code into your notepad file. But if you're on Linux, you're going to copy that code and put it into your text file, and if you're on Mac OS X, you're going to copy that and put it into your text file. Very simple. Once you've done that, just click Save As, and we're going to want to save it to our Minecraft server folder as run.bat. This will create a separate file, a batch file, so you will be able to run your server. So after you save that, it'll create your own folder or your own batch file in there, and you're going to want to run that. This will create all the files that you need for your server to run. So we're going to let this load, we're going to let it create its spawn point so we don't have to go through that later. Since we have this, we can delete that old text file that we used to create the batch file because it's no longer in use. And there we are done. Okay, so now we have our own legitimate server. All we have to do to get it running is just use the run.batch file to run it. And so far it's going to be running off no port because we haven't port forwarded it yet. So in the next video I will teach all of you guys how to port forward. But for now I will go show you that the server actually works. So let's go to Minecraft and log in. That's my username. And go to multiplayer. See, this right here is my server if you guys want to ever get on it, test it out. But we're going to go to add server and add one called localhost. I'll click done and see our server is running. Localhost is basically this server command key, so we can jump right into it, show you that it works. And ta-da! We have our very own bucket server. So this is basically it for the video on how to create a bucket server. Then in the next 2 videos I will teach you how to add plugins and use them on a bucket server, and I will teach you how to port forward. Port forwarding is really easy, not confusing at all unless you have a confusing router. But we'll get to that later. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope I helped you in this video because that's what I strive to do. If I did, leave a like, and if you have any questions or any problems, just comment below and I'll try to help you as much as I can. Alright, thank you guys.